Housewife family kitchen, but today I will not be doing my own recipe. I'll be doing a lovely recipe from Sherry's Healthy Corners ebook. She has written an amazing ebook for immune boosting recipes for the whole family, not just for children, it's for the entire family. And I decided to do one of our recipes to show you how lovely it is. I'll be making the chicken and veggie sauce from the ebook. So you can see veggie packed. How won't this be healthy? All my ingredients are laid out. Let's get started. My pan is heating up here. To this, I'm going to add oil, chopped onions, thyme, garlic, and ginger. And I'm going to stir everything together. I'm going to add my chicken. This is boneless chicken, sliced into strips. Feel free to cut your own into tiny pieces. I prefer the strips. To this, I'll add a little salt. My chicken is fried. It's still going to continue cooking, but it is at this point I'm going to add pepper. So I am using Cameroon pepper. She said you can use chili pepper. I'm using Cameroon pepper because I want it a little bit spicy. Then add in your sliced tomatoes. I'll now cover and let cook for 5 minutes. Cover and let cook. Okay, so it has been 5 minutes. I'm now going to add the veggies. Cabbage, carrot, corn. She used sweet corn. I'm using regular corn. Green bell pepper, red bell pepper. We are now going to stir fry. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm just stir frying it so that everything can combine. So depending on how you like your veggies, crunchy, if it's crunchy, it's okay now. If you like it softer a bit like me, I'm going to leave it to stir fry a bit longer. Okay, so it has softened to my taste. I am now going to add the water element. So let's move to this side. Okay, this is 1 tablespoon of flour. 1 tablespoon of flour to 1 cup of water. She used soy sauce for her own, but I don't use soy sauce, so I'm going to use my multi-purpose spice for that. So I'll mix the multi-purpose spice with this, and then I'll add a little bit of salt to it too. And then this is the 1 cup of water. Let me stir it first. Okay, it's smooth, so let me add the water. And then I'll take this and pour it all over it. I'll reduce the fire, cover it, and let the taste of the flour cook out. And we're done. Very simple, very easy. Time to eat. Okay, let the flour cook out first, then we'll eat. Thank you so much for joining me again. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lagos Housewife. Follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and be ready for more delicious recipes.